he's only 5. So I think this is good. Boy versus girl, 2-year difference, right?
Yeah. He doesn't have the strength yet. Once he has the strength, it's over. Careful. You gotta try to sit on her stomach. You gotta sit on her stomach. You gotta sit on her stomach.
LJ, wide legs, LJ. Wide legs. Don't let her get up. Wide legs.
Don't let her get up, Madison. Face
Good
him.
job, LJ.
Bubba shrimp.
Stay on her.
Bubba shrimp.
Wide legs. Good job. Good job.
Good job. You're
Good
staying
job,
on.
LJ.
He's pretty good. He's pretty good. Bubba shrimp, Madison. Bubba shrimp. He's strong, huh?
Oh, he's got her. Look at his hand right now. LJ, that is a good position.
That's a good grip.
You don't even know what you're doing. That is awesome.
Oh my gosh. You gotta send this to Auntie Tori.
No.
Auntie Tori.
Uncle Richie's going to be proud of you.
Bubba shrimp.
Oh, LJ, push her. Good job.
Good job.
Good job, LJ.
Bubba
Good
shrimp.
job.
Bubba shrimp.
Put her shoulder down. Put her shoulder down.
Mommy, fight.
Put
Okay.
her Mommy fight. Put her shoulder down. Oh!
Get out, Madison.
LJ,
Get
put
out,
the other
Madison.
shoulder
Get
down.
out, Madison. Get out, Madison. You know how to escape. That's
Stay
a
on her.
good grip.
LJ,
That's a
LJ,
good
stay on her.
Right here.
Oh, don't try not to go in her hair.
Bubba shrimp. Bubba shrimp. Get out, get out, get out. Roll out, roll out.
Oh, she's
There
gonna
you
get
go.
you.
Good job. Get
She's
his
gonna
back.
get you.
Get his back.
She's gonna get you.
Get your hooks in.
Don't let her get you on the ground. Don't let her get you on the ground.